Lakers, Lakers, Lakers. Round one, the Lakers play the Minnesota Timberwolves. Ant's got to shoot threes. I don't think he can do it all by himself. There's not enough pieces around him. Lakers in 5, round one. Round two, who would the Lakers play? It doesn't matter. The Lakers are winning that. And then they either play the Nuggets, the Clippers, the OKC. And JJ Redick is smart enough to scheme up one win. Luka's good enough to basically win 2 games. And LeBron is still good enough to win 1 game by himself. Lakers go on, play the Celtics. Jaylen Brown's knee, Donovan Mitchell's ankle. Lakers in 5.
I don't know if that's even a theory. That's best case scenario, I think, in all regards. Depth becomes a problem. You need those games to go to 5. Like if you go to 6, 7, like the probability of you winning a championship comes down drastically just because you don't have a ton of depth. Just due to depth, like I don't see it.